Hey everyone, this is Elvis from Chalk. Wanted to give you guys a quick demo of our Symbolic Python interpreter. In the last video, we talked about Chalk expressions, which are these lambda-like UDFs that run natively. And we consider these to be a building block because we can take these expressions and use them to accelerate Python functions. And so this user has a username, and we actually create this feature by parsing this email address. So if I jump to the definition of this, we can see that we create a username by splitting the email address by this @ sign, and if the domain is Gmail, we're going to strip any text that comes after this plus sign, and before returning, we're actually going to cast this text to be lowercase. And the cool thing is that we can use these static expressions to essentially parse this AST and make this essentially a composable nested chain of these expressions. That way this can run super fast and we can skip the GIL entirely. And so if I run a query and I jump into my dashboard, I can see my query plan. And so all of these green nodes are things that run as Chalk expressions. And then if we have a Python function that we can accelerate by turning it into these static expressions, we make it yellow. And so if I actually make this window bigger, I can actually see the data that ends up being passed in. And so we can see like the constant that was passed into this expression. And yeah, and so this makes it really easy to see which expressions are being converted, which ones aren't, and then keep track of like where you can get like performance improvements.